Should price unstoppable rise? You won't believe the prediction for December 2023 in the cryptoverse, which changes all the time. Shiba Inu memes have carved out a special place for themselves. Price, which is currently trading at 8,039 shib, has gotten the attention of buyers all over the world. But what will happen in the future? With the help of algorithms that make predictions, we want to sketch out possible routes for the price of Shiba Inu in December 2023. I'm Kecho, and I help teach people about money, investment, and personal finance. If you want to improve your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the station and hit the like button if this video was helpful. Let's learn more about this prediction for the price of SHIB. Time series forecasting, a method used in many areas, is what we use for our analysis. We use the ARMA Autoregressive Integrated Moving Average Model, which is a tool that financial experts like because it is flexible and can adapt to changes in the market. The price of a Shiba Inu will be in December 2023. Using ARMA, we estimate future prices for Shiba Inus from past data, taking into account how the data are related to each other. Let's imagine our optimal ARMA model parameters are. If our model says that the daily return over the next year will be 0.5, we can figure out the possible price as follows. Using ARMA decoding SHIB price predictions for December 2023 in the field of coin forecasting. One of the most important statistics tools is the ARMA Autoregressive Integrated Moving Average. The strength of this model is that it can examine and predict future points in a stationary series, i.e. mean, standard deviation, and correlation are all the same over time. In our method, we used an ARMA model that, in theory, fits well with historical data on SHIBs and correctly predicts the prices of SHIBs in the future. We thought that the return would be 0.5 per day in 2023. We predicted the price in December 2023 by adding the daily return to the current price and dividing by the number of days in a year. The math showed that the price would be $8,276 by the end of December 2023. Projecting SHIB's future growth in a straight or exponential way. Now, let's talk about how the price of a SHIB could go up by 100 times. We will use two ways to figure out a linear growth projection and an exponential growth projection. A straight line. This method assumes that the rate of growth is the same every day. This is a simple estimate based on the idea that the growth rate will stay the same, which is unlikely given how volatile cryptocurrencies are. Moving trillion SHIB. Shiba Inus. There is no way to stop imminent dominance. Where do you stand? The number of billionaire Shiba Inus addresses is quietly rising, and their holdings are helping the SHIB ecosystem. Over $32 million worth of SHIB codes have been sent to a new email address. The Shiba Inu community can't wait for Shibarium to go live on the mainnet. Shiba Inu billionaires are quietly adding to their wealth, which helps the Shiba Inu ecosystem in a big way. According to data from the on-chain analytics company in the block addresses, people who own between 100 billion and 1 trillion SHIB have increased their holdings by a huge 11 in the last 30 days. This shows that these people are getting more and more, which is good for the SHIB ecosystem. In a recent event, a new email address has collected more than $32 million worth of SHIB coins. The price of SHIB went up by more than 5 because of this anonymous whale's large purchase of tokens. This shows how important this anonymous whale's large purchase of tokens was. Whale Alert found out about the first transaction on July 14. The funds were moved from an exchange wallet to a newly active address. When we look into the future, the Shiba Inu network and the crypto space look like they will do well. With people's interest in digital assets growing and the possibility for more growth, the Shiba Inu network is likely to make big steps forward in the world of finance. Recent whale action points to strong institutional interest in SHIB, which could help push prices up in the coming days and weeks. The countdown has started. SHIB is about to go up by 13 as the start of Shibarium gets closer. According to on-chain metrics and price prediction company Digital Coin Price, the Shiba Inu market is expected to grow by a huge 1,300 by 2032-31. Even though the future looks good, it's important to think about how volatile cryptocurrency markets are and do a lot of study before investing. The world of cryptocurrencies is always changing, and Shiba Inu is a good example of how things are always changing. She came out in August 2020 at a price of 0.51, which was not too bad. The token was in for a wild ride, with a big drop at the end of the year followed by a big rise in 2021. This amazing trip took off 6 zeros in 10 months, making early users millionaires overnight and putting SHIB in the spotlight. Shiba Inu in 2030. What to expect? As we look ahead to the next 10 years, we want to know what to expect from Shiba Inu in 2030. Is the coin likely to rise in value or fall in value? The on-chain metrics and price prediction company Digital Coin Price predicts that the price of SHIB will go up. This prediction paints a bright picture for the dog-themed token. It says that in the next 7 years, the price of Shiba Inu could go up by a very amazing 927 from its current value of 7. That means that by the beginning of the year 2031, could be 108. This prediction means that investors can expect a return on investment ROI of about 1,334, which means that a $1,000 investment at the current level could earn them $14,340 by 2032-31. Even though this prediction looks good for Shiba Inu, it's important to be careful and not get too excited. The cryptocurrency market is ruled by whims that can swing in either direction and could cause losses. Because of these unknowns, it's important to do a lot of study and think carefully before investing in SHIB. SHIB's unstoppable rally made wins for 7 days that had never been seen before. Are you ready for a boost from Shibarium? Shiba Inu ends the intake forms for Shibarium, which is a big step toward its launch. The price of SHIB is clearly going up, as it has gone up by 10 in the last week. The launch of Shibarium at the Toronto meeting in 2023 could be a big step forward for Shiba Inu. The popular cryptocurrency's much-anticipated Shibarium Layer 2 answer is now complete, and no more forms can be sent in for it. This move is a big step toward the launch of Shibarium, which has people in the cryptocurrency world excited. In recent changes, the Shiba Inu team gave their main sites a new look. SHIB and Shibarium tech have been updated with a number of new features for the Shiba Inu environment. When the Shibarium application form came out in February 2023, its goal was to find good projects and help people who wanted to help with SHIB. Over 7,000 people filled out the form, which shows how much interest there is in the crypto world. Despite all the excitement on the market, the price of a SHIB has clearly been going up. In the last 7 days, it has gone up by more than 10. Even though the price is going in a good direction, investors should be careful because a full proof of a trend reversal has not yet happened. Thanks for coming to watch. Remember to like the movie and follow my channel. We'll talk again in the next film.